The hating, controlling, that trying to get me riding dirty, trying to get me riding dirty. Enough of the propaganda.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. They looked up and saw a star shining in the east beyond them far. And to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both day and night. Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
You guys, so I am back from off of the road winter shopping, and wow, out there was, it was amazing. It was crowded and majority of the things were on sale, you guys. So I always say, do not be forced to buy all of your winter stuff immediately when you see the stores stocking up winter stuff, because usually at that time, say like late October into November, stores start putting out winter stuff because it starts getting chilly and the things are always at full price. If you buy then, you spend a lot of money on winter clothes, but if you wait it out a few weeks, things start to go on sale, especially after Black Friday. So normally things start going on sale from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and all of that stuff, and the sales kind of remain. It is not like all sales, but for example, Uniqlo had a sale running from December 1st to December 10th and all of that stuff, where you get stuff marked down. So I'm actually happy that I waited this long to do any sort of winter shopping, because I got some really good stuff at some really good prices. So I am going to be showing you guys everything that I got, but I need to go get the bags, you guys, because I shopped at 3 places. I shopped at GU, I shopped at Uniqlo, and I also went into Daiso, the dollar store, because people tend to overlook the dollar store when it comes on to winter gear, but I promise you the dollar stores also have gems that you can use, because not everything has to be a couple $1,000s, all right, or 1,000 yens, thousands of yens and all that stuff. So I did shop at 3 places. I'm going to be doing a haul for you, but I'm switching it up a bit. Instead of just sitting here and showing you the clothes and then doing an overlay of me trying it on, I'm going to be trying them on while talking to you guys. It's going to be a little different of a setup, but I hope you guys like this kind of a haul, because to be honest, take everything out of the bag and then put on everything, and it's just a lot of work. So I say, you know what, let me just wear them while talking to you, so you guys can see me in action talking about the piece while it's on my body. So let me go grab the bags.
They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah.
Alright, you guys, so these are the bags. So I have one big bag from Uniqlo and a big bag from GU and a medium-sized bag from Daiso. So I'll be trying on the pieces now, you guys, and then we'll get into like how much money overall I did spend. Alright, you guys, so the first thing that I picked up in Uniqlo was this loungewear set. Now I have been trying to find Christmas pajamas in Japan. I have not been able to, so I said, you know what, the least I can do is find a loungewear, a pajama set that somewhat reminds me of Christmas, and then I can wear that inside of the house. Because to be honest, buying Christmas pajamas online, you guys, that when I plug everything in for both myself and Adam, because we don't have children, so it's just 2 pieces of matching pajamas, I'm seeing prices like 7,000 odd yen, and I am not paying 7,000 yen for just 2 pieces of pajamas, when I know if I was elsewhere in the world, pajamas would have cost me like maybe 30 bucks max, you know. So I wasn't okay with spending so much money, so I picked this loungewear set up in Uniqlo. And guys, as you can see, like the material is like very soft, and it has this kind of pattern which reminds me of Christmas, so I decided to buy it. I do not have my scissors. Let me go grab that. Alright, you guys, so this is what the pajamas look like on me. I really hope that you guys can hear me because the camera is like so far from me. I'm not used to it, but this is what the pajama looks like. I really like it, and it feels like super soft, and it comes like it falls. Guys, I don't even know how to do clothing reviews, but oh my god, like, can you see the material? Like, this is like so soft, you guys, and it's freeing. It's not sticking to my hands. It's very freeing, and it looks cozy. It looks cozy. The only thing that I would say it is missing is some pockets, because in a little cozy feel, you know, you like to like put your hands in your pocket or something, but I mean, it's fine. It does have a pocket on the the bum right here that you can put, but I like it. Woo! Yeah, I like it. Like, I can take some nice cozy pictures in this. Alright, you guys, so the next thing that I bought is this comfy cozy sweater, and it also has that little nice cozy material. As you can see here, like, it is so soft, it is so nice. I want to live in it. But the one thing though, when I saw it in the store, I did not know, you guys cannot see my face, I did not know whether or not, or I did not remember seeing it with pockets. And I was like, I saw the kids in similar sweaters like this at school, and I'm like, the only thing that mine is missing is the pockets. But actually it has pockets, and I'm so grateful. And it also, you guys, it comes right up to the neck, so it acts as a neck warmer when you don't have a scarf outside, you know what I mean? So I can always wear my thermals under this, and then I can wear this, and I can wear my jacket over this without having to put on a scarf, because this comes up right to the top. I love it. Like, you guys, like, look, it is cute. And I paid 1,990 yen for this sweater, and it is in a large. I mean, I could go a size up, to be honest, so that it is more freeing. But what I was really thinking about is, if I wear this alone, a large is fine, and then if I'm going to be layering like coats and stuff on top of this, I want this to be as snug to my skin as possible, so that, you know, the other coats and whatever I put over this can fit nicely, and it's not just big and baggy. But I love this sweater, you guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, you guys, so the next stuff that I have from GU are actually like stuff that I can sit down and show you, because there is no need for me to try them on. But they are these women socks. As a matter of fact, let me just show you. They are knee-high socks. So these socks can go all the way up to your knees, and they are made of a certain material. It says Heat Tech on the tag. So in Uniqlo, you look for this logo. Heat Tech just means that it is supposed to bring you warmth when you wear them during the winter time. And of course you have heat tech stockings and so on. But for people like me who, you know, tend to wear skirts in the winter also, this could really come in handy. I'm just trying them on so that I can show you guys on camera. But let me show you. So these are what the knee-high socks look like, you guys. Like, I was thinking that it would come all the way up to here, but clearly it does not, and I guess I have to just be okay with that. But based on how it's feeling though, it feels thick and nice, but it does feel as if like when I walk it will ride down a little bit. I hope not. But I did get 2 pairs of them, and both pairs were for 990 yen, so very reasonable for 2 pairs of heat tech socks. So yeah, I'm excited to try them out and see how well they hold up while I walk. Alright guys, so the next 2 things, I did change up the position a little bit. The next 2 things that I bought from Uniqlo were these thermal wear, and these are like the first things that you put on your body in the winter when you're trying to layer in. So this brings on the first layer of heat or warmth that you will feel in the winter time. They are known as heat tech, very popular in Uniqlo. I have a bunch of these from previous winters, but I never had any with like the turtleneck at the top, and I absolutely did not have a white one, so I decided to buy, and they each cost 990 yen, so it's very reasonable, you guys. Like, as I said, I am not trying to spend a whole lot of money on clothes here in Japan, just enough for me to survive and feel comfortable during the winter. So this is really what the thermal wear looks like. It's just a regular top with what do they call this, a turtleneck to keep your neck warm. And as I said, it is the first layer of clothing that you put on your body during the winter. I did buy medium because I wanted to stick to my body. I don't want it to be big because it is supposed to bring heat. You want it attached to your skin. So let me try this on so that you guys can see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what the heat tech really looks like. It is just like a simple white tee. So like, this is the material. You can see it is very cottony, but if you have this on as your first layer, when you put other clothes on top of this, like maybe 3 more layers of clothes on top of this, and yes, I am not kidding for you Jamaicans out there, it really does get that cold in these parts of the world. So we normally have like 3 more layers on top of this, because on top of this you gotta put on like your actual clothes that you want to wear to work, and then on top of that you like wear a sweater, and then on top of that you wear a coat with a scarf, with a gloves, with some tam, all of the things. It's as if you live in an igloo. But anyway, this is just a basic this is what you'd call like a underblouse in Jamaican. As I said, it comes with the turtleneck, so you know you can keep your neck warm while you're out and about. So just imagine I have this on with the turtleneck, and I also have my sweater on. Oh my god, I already feel an Instagram photo coming on. This looks like Valentine's Day, you guys. Like, look, even, well, you can't wear it like this when it's like super cold, but this could be a nice little outfit, not with the pajama pants of course, but pairing this with like a nice jeans or some leggings or something. This could be a fit. It could be a fit. Like, oh my god, comment below if this could not be a fit, you guys. And you can even like zip it up half the way, and it's like a nice little comfy fit. I love it. I love it. And as I said, the heat tech is for 900. Like, the lighting is crazy. Oh my god. The heat tech is for 990 yen, and I bought 2 of them, 1 white, 1 black. I already have other ones, but they are without this one, so I really wanted to get some turtleneck ones to pair with the others that I have. But it is very nice. I like it. Alright, you guys, and for all of those items that you saw me try on, I paid a total of 6,445 yen for just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of clothes in Uniqlo. I had a maximum of about 13,000 yen to spend on winter clothes this year, because that is just the budget. So the pajama set, that was one thing. The two of this thermal and the sweater and the 2 pairs of socks, all of that cost 6,445 yen, which is about 65 USD and about maybe 7,000 or 8,000 Jamaican dollars, thereabout. I'm not even sure if I'm doing the math right, but I do have 2 other bags, you guys, so let me jump into that. I'm going to be doing the GU haul next. Alright, you guys, so pointing out, a lot of the things in GU were on a major sale, as you would have seen in the clips while I was walking in the store. Like, majority of the winter stuff were on major sale. Like, I've never seen so many stuff on sale in GU before, so I did take advantage of the things in GU. Alright, this lighting is kind of better, and I have bags at my feet, but this is basically the top. See if I can put you guys a little further so you can see the entire top, right? So this is what it looks like. As I said, I really like things like this that I'm wearing in the cold time to be like very cozy and comfortable. So I do tend to size up in these things just so that I have the extra room. I can put my hands like this. Like, isn't this the thing, you guys, that whenever we're cold we stuff our hands instead of our sweaters? And also this would be nice with a sweater on top of it and then a coat on top of it to keep you warm. And of course, if you're wearing something like this, then now is the time that you'd have that turtleneck thermal wear underneath, so your neck is warm. Or you could scrap the turtleneck thermal altogether, and you can just wear a nice cute scarf, which I'm going to be getting to quite soon because I did buy 2 scarves. But yeah, this is the top, and as I said, 990 yen, you guys, and this is a steal because I'm very sure that when these stuff just got into the stores, they were selling for like 2,000 odd yen. And I really like this color. I do not have much color like this in my closet, so I was really excited to get a color like this. Alright, you guys, still on the topic of cozy wear, this is the next thing that I picked up. It is also a nice little sweater blouse, as you can see. Like, it is really cozy. Let me give you a close-up of the material. It is this knit kind of material, you know, and it also has a little style of some buttons that come right here. The buttons are just for style. They cannot unpin or anything. Like, my head could hardly fit through this stuff right here, but this is another of the tops that I picked up. It is very nice. The only thing that I'm like really feeling in this is that it is kind of itchy, so I definitely would need to have on some kind of thermal wear on the days, or even if I'm wearing this in autumn when I do not need to be wearing a thermal, I think I'll have to wear some kind of underclothes because the material underneath, especially on my hands here, is very itchy, and I don't want to be itching down the place. I'm kind of very uncomfortable in this right now because it's just touching my skin and it's really weird, but it is nice for some photos and it's also nice to wear. Oh, let me see. This was also for 990 yen, you guys, and as you can see, there's a red tag, which means that it was put on sale. So if I peel the red tag off, I can see how much it was selling for, and this is in a size small, and this is how the size small looks on me, you guys. It still looks a little oversized, and I can still put my hands in it like this. So that is the thing. Like, in Japan, even though I know what size I would normally wear, you still have to try everything because based on the fit, you can either be sizing up or sizing down, because in this case, I am sizing down. Alright, you guys, so I peeled off the sale tag, and see, this is what it was going for. It was going for 1,990 yen in the beginning, and I got it for 990 yen. So a whole 1,000 yen came off of it because it is sale time. So this is what it looks like. I like it, but as I said, I'll have to wear something under it to prevent the itchiness. this is not necessarily a winter find, you guys, but it was on sale. As I said, everything on GU was on massive sale, and certain things I could not pass up, especially if I know that I would be using it. But basically I found this blouse on the sale rack. This should be behind me, or maybe cut out. Yeah, so basically I found this blouse on the sale rack. It is just a regular like work top, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can see. It is just like a regular work top, and I had to pick it up because, as I said, it was on sale. Let me tell you guys the price. It was on sale for 590 yen, you guys. 590 yen. It was going for 1,490 yen before, and I saw it on the sale rack, and I'm like, I have to pick this up, even if not for winter, but to wear to work otherwise, because the work clothes that I have, guys, are from years ago, and I'm trying to let go of some of them. So if I see anything that can be worn to work, I'll normally just pick it up. And this is in a size medium, and to be honest, I could have done with a size small in this because it is kind of big. But I guess when I tuck it in pants and kind of like pull it over at the waist so it falls down like this, it probably will not look as big and baggy. But yeah, this was a steal. Like 590 yen for a top in GU. You just gotta buy it. Alright guys, so the next item is also on the note of cozy wear, and Lord knows I did not go into GU to buy pajamas, but again, these were on sale, and usually the pajamas in GU are crazy expensive, guys. Like as you can see in the clips, when I was shopping, I was showing you the prices of the pajamas, and they're like for 2,990 yen. Like, they're always so expensive. So when I saw these on sale, I'm like, I have to get them, even though they are not like very Christmassy kind of material. It's really just like satin material, as you guys can see, just regular pajama material. But I like had to get them, you guys. Let me tell you the cost. I got two of them. That is just how much I had to get these pajamas. They were on sale for 990 yen. So the sale price is not on this. They were going for 1,990 yen, but they were on the sale rack. My battery is dying. Let me just change that real quick. So as I was saying, these were on the sale rack, so the sale price was not necessarily on the tag, but it was in a basket of stuff that were all going for 990 yen, and I just had to pick up two of them, you guys, because if you know me, I love to sleep, and cozy pajamas, I love them. You cannot see like the bottom of this stuff. Can I jump? Woo! Let me try to lower this thing so that you guys can see. Yeah guys, so ignore the mess. This is what I'm dealing with to give you guys the good content, but this is really what the pajama set looks like for 990 yen. Like I had to, and I bought two of them, you guys. Should I even try the other one on for you guys? I want to see how it fits me, so yes, I will. Hold a sec. Alright guys, so this is the other set. Like it is just yellow. It is the same thing. Let me show you the pant. Like it is just like this, very roomy. I have room to squiggle and turn in my bed without feeling like things are just stuck on me. Like when I do my hands like this, I'm a whole lot of material is not bunched up here. But 990 yen for some pajamas, you guys. Like I have to take that when I see pajamas going for that price in GU, because I feel like pajamas in Japan are like super expensive. So this is what we have, and I think this is the last item from GU. So let's see how much money I spent. I spent 4,559 yen for all of the pieces that you saw, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4, another 5 pieces from GU, and I spent almost the same as I did in Uniqlo. But as I said, I had a budget, but like the final maybe 1,000 or 1,500 yen, I just went into the dollar store to pick up a few stuff, a few simple stuff that I did not care about like the quality of it really, because one, I'd be either wearing it on my head or I'd be layering it with other stuff, so the quality does not matter. I did not need to get you know, high quality stuff from like GU or Uniqlo. So let me get into the Daiso bag. She see me rolling, the hating, controlling, the trying to get me riding dirty, trying to get me riding dirty. Enough of the propaganda. So as I was saying, you guys, I went into GU to pick up just a few basic items because the dollar stores also carry lots of things that can help you to combat winter. So I picked up a few of those, and these things, as I said, I did not mind the quality being low because of course you're not going to get quality like this in the dollar store for cheap. We are aware of that, so I did not mind certain things being of lower quality as long as you can get some of the job done. So let us dive into this bag. The first thing I got, you guys, was this lap blanket. So this lap blanket, basically it is this size. It is this size, and what you really do is while you are sitting down like at your office desk or whatever, you can just throw it over your lap and it helps to keep you warm. So this is it. It is big and you can use it to wrap around. So many of the teachers in the staff room, they have these things, you guys, that, you know, while they're sitting at their desk and so on, they put it like over their laps just to help keep them warm. The material, as you can see, very nice and cozy material, kind of like the pajama and so on. So no doubt that it will keep me warm. I need to actually buy 2 more of this because I work at 3 schools and I only bought this for my main school because that school, I don't know, they do not turn the heat on and I don't know why. So I bought this for my main school, and this was not 100 yen, you guys. This was actually for 300 yen. So actually this is how things are in Daiso. If it is not for 100 yen, you will see the price on the item, so you don't have to worry how much money you're spending. The price will always be there. But as I said, I actually need to buy 2 more of this blanket because I work at 3 schools and I only have 1. Anyway, I also bought 2 tam hats, you guys, just 2 winter knit cap. And as I said, the quality, like the fabric of these things, they feel really soft and really nice. To be honest, they kind of come off a little itchy for me, but as I said, things like this that you're just going to wear on your head or something, you don't have to invest and buy a $600 one in the store. You don't have to buy a 1,000 yen one in the store. These actually cost 300 yen, as you can see there on the tag. So I just picked them up. The quality does not matter to me. They will do the same job. At least I hope they'll do the same job. But yeah, chances are they'll be doing the same job. This is what the inside looks like. So it is still warm, you guys. And as I said, it did not matter to me whether or not, you know, it was whatever. Like when you see me in this on the road, will you be able to tell that I bought this in Daiso? Like, big and serious, you guys. Like, will you be able to tell? No, you won't. I mean, you guys will, because I'm telling you that I bought it in Daiso. But regular people on the street not going to know I bought this in Daiso. You know what I mean? So it does not matter. It doesn't matter. And it is cute, to be honest. So I absolutely love them. Let me even try the gray one. Yeah, with the little pom-pom here, like, oh my god, like, it's cute, right? It's cute. Anyway, the next thing that I got to pair with those are some earmuffs, and this is kind of like way out of my style. It's pink and it has ears, which is really cute, but I wasn't trying to buy something as childish as this, but these were the only ones they had. Actually, the ones that I saw that I liked, they sold out. These were the only ones that were left, and I needed earmuffs because now I am not really wearing scarves and so on out, but my ears are cold, and these just really to cover your ears. My only problem with wearing this is that my glasses, because here is behind my ears, and then this is like right on my ears, it is kind of like squeezing, so it kind of gives me a headache, you guys. So I have to try to find a way to keep warm and still wear this stuff. But yeah, earmuffs, and this was 200 yen. Okay, 200 yen. The next stuff that I bought were some gloves, because they always say gloves is a thing in winter. And not just really, they always say like you have to be wearing gloves in winter, you guys, as otherwise you will lose your fingers. And I'm not even kidding. But my problem, you see, with no matter how thick the gloves that I wear are or how warm they are sold to be, my fingers are always still cold. Comment below if you guys experience winter where you are, and no matter how thick your gloves are, your fingers are still cold. Because I have like maybe 2 pairs of gloves from last winter, and guys, like my fingers are still cold. Like, what can this do to me? Like, it is thin, you know what I say, like this is it, like it is thin, like this cannot combat cold, but at the same time you still need to wear gloves. And then I saw these for 150 yen in Daiso, and the good thing about this is that these 2 fingers here, the ones with the red, they are actually touchscreen proof, so you can use your phone. Because that is another thing with gloves, like when you're in gloves and you're outside in the cold, you have to just give up on using your phone, because majority of the gloves, you cannot use your phone. But these gloves with the 2 red things here on the tag, I wore these gloves before, so I took the tag off, but on the tag it says like touch proof, so you can actually use your phone with your finger, with these 2 fingers, while you are in your gloves. And I thought like that was so cool. Adam has a gloves like this. His own is much thicker than this, but I just had to get this one because it allows me to use my phone, you understand? So if you're in Japan, you guys, like, buy gloves that are touch proof. If you're going Daiso, buy these ones, and it will be on the tag so you won't miss it. And another pair of gloves that I bought were these ones. They're a little thicker. They were also a little more expensive. They're for like 300 yen, as you can see there. And to be honest, it is very like thick. So this is what it looks like on my hand, you guys. Inside of it feels thick, but I just know that if the time is cold the right and proper way, like this will not even work. But it does say that it has what they call that, insulation on it. So I'm going to give it a try this winter. Let's hope that it works. Another thing that I got are these leg warmers. So really you're just supposed to put them over your leg, because you know, like your leg always gets like cold, especially like when you're sleeping or so on. So I just bought these. I really don't know how effective they are. I'm going to try to sleep in them and see just how effective they are. But it was for 100 yen anyway. The material looks quite soft, as you can see, but I don't know how it's going to hold up. But yeah, 100 yen leg warmers. I bought it to test it out, so I'll get back to you guys in this series of vlogmas videos to tell you how this worked. And this is the second to last item that I got, was this scarf. Oops. Was this scarf in Daiso, you guys, for 300 yen. And this is the material. And to be honest, it kind of feels cheap. It feels cheap, but at the same time, as I'm saying, why buy a scarf for like 1500 yen when you can get a scarf like this to just wear, and you will not notice the quality of it, because you will be layering this up with other things, you know what I mean? You already have on your turtleneck all kinds of stuff, and you know, to just wrap this round, like, it is very, like, you won't even notice, and it's still keeping you warm, you know what I mean? So you do not have to spend an arm and a leg on every single item for winter. Like, some of the things you can sacrifice the quality if you're getting it cheaper, you know what I mean? So yeah. And last but not least, you guys, we're finally at the end of this haul, are these hand warmers. Now these are everywhere in Japan in wintertime, and I don't know if they have these in other parts of the world that experience winters, but I think these are like such a very handy innovation. Basically, you guys, I do not want to open any because once I open it, it is activated according to the instructions on this. But they are like little pads, you guys. I'm going to try to see if I can insert like a picture of what it actually looks like out of the pads, but you can peel them off and you can stick them on your body inside your clothes. Not on your body because it says do not put it on your body because you can suffer burns, but basically you can paste them inside of your clothing, all the layers of clothing that you have on, and it keeps you warm. It says this one, it goes up for 20 hours duration, so I could basically wear this for 20 hours straight and I would be warm, you know. And these are really hand warmers. They have the body warmers, so the kids always have this in school and they always like toss it from hand to hand. They play with it a lot, and it is really to keep your hands warm. So you can put two, like if you have a sweater with pockets, you can put two in there and you know, putting your hands in your pocket, then you will stay warm and all of that stuff. But these are very handy innovations, I think, for the winter time, especially the ones that you can put in your clothes. And they also have the shoes insoles too that you can put in your shoes to keep your feet warm, because those are always the areas that get cold and frostbite the first, you know what I mean? Your feet and your fingers, always cold, and your neck and your ears. So yeah, I think these are very handy, and these were 100 yen, and it comes in a pack of 5 pieces. Comes in this pack for 110 yen. So I think it is worth the money, you know what I mean? I'll definitely be buying more of this because, as I said, fingers and gloves. You could even stuff one of these like in your gloves to help keep your hand warm. That is also a trick that I came up with, or maybe I am not the first one who came up with it, but that is what I came up with. And guys, that is the end of the haul. The amount of money I spent in Daiso was $1,654. So all of the things that you saw, I only spent like 10 or maybe call it 20 US dollars, and maybe like 2,500 Jamaican dollars or so on for all of these stuff, scarf, hat, and all of this stuff that I picked up in the dollar store. So yeah, I spent a good amount of money on winter stuff this year, but as I said, the more we live in cold places, we just have to invest in clothes that will keep us warm during this time of the year, and my future self will thank me when it is freezing colder outside, because it is very cold right now in Japan. And I have been talking your ears off all along, so I am going to end the video right here, you guys. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas to all of you. And guys, oh my god, important information, like January 2nd marked my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, and I am trying, you guys, I'm putting out so much content for you guys to enjoy. Like, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by January 2nd, and honestly, I do not think I'm going to get there, but at the same time, I'm like, keep trying. Good things come to those who wait, all of that stuff. But if you guys can help, please help by subscribing to this channel, hitting the like button, hitting the notification button, and of course, if you're already subscribed, it costs $0 to send this video to your friend and tell your friend to subscribe as well. Like, if all of you are already on this channel, invite 2 more persons to come over, watch a few videos, and then subscribe if they like it. Then we'll be hitting our goal in no time. So I'm just asking you guys for your support, and in return, I'm giving you all of this content. So, you know, why not? Why not? All of us receiving something nice, right? So yes, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Merry Christmas, guys.